Don't touch the camera hand. I said don't touch the camera hand.
Get away.
Ah! Why do you attack your face with that thing? Are you mad at yourself?
Yes.
Are you mad at your eyelashes?
No
That's why
way.
you make them
I have
bend
to get
over?
this done, and I have 5 minutes, so get out of my face.
Seriously, are you mad at your eyelashes?
I'm proud of them.
Then why do you torture them so?
They like it. They're telling me right now.
I can hear their little screams.
Shut up.
Help!
Help us! Help us! Not the contraption! No! I just need somebody to love. When I eat, let's keep eating. That's a good baby. That's a good baby. Mom, you're creepy. Talking to her. Oh gosh, Mom.
We asked the Furlough family to bring in their favorite DVDs because we want to show them something new. You ready? Walmart can now convert your favorite DVDs.
It looks like a bear.
Alright, so now, follow up. Mom's going to use this as a planner. In Indiana, that's what we do. That's what rednecks do, right?
Actually, it's going to go either in my rummage sale, which is probably going to go in the rummage sale.
You know you can't sell it as new.
No. But people with rentals will jump on that because that's a $150 toilet.
I'm with you.
Only been used 1 year.
Red grapes on your choice of honey wheat bread or whole grain wrap.
No, it's called
Arby's Kids Crackers.
Hey, door's open.
Stop it, what are you doing?
I don't think he realized. He doesn't realize the door is open.
Of Hell's Kitchen ever.
Oh, this thing, you find it.
Fox Tuesday.
They're ready.
A 2-hour event.
We have to admit there's really no unalterable.
Lee goes to nationals.
Stuck together and together. Just the way it should.
What happened to my nail polish?
Anything to win.
I ordered 18 little people, one for each one.
Good boy for a wild little thing. You are. You're just gonna be sweet and take my heart, aren't you? Yes. No, boy, I'm right here. It's okay. It's all right.
Okay, little raccoon. I'm going to tell you some of the rules of this house. First of all, I am the boss. Let's high five. Wait, this bird's got all kind of tricks. Come on.
Okay.
Okay, wait a minute.
My apple's about to die, so.
Just push the red button.
Carpus ate that one, ew.
It's all right.
Is that why you two separate?
That I could live with.
I've been to parties like that.
I never know if you could drop by. I think of my
You thought better of it. Boy, he was contemplating.
Don't miss Mother's Day on
That'd be hilarious.
It will be hilarious.
Part of Countdown to Mother's Day.
We are going through our attic and processing, getting rid of 20 years of unnecessary draggage.
And the cat always thinks he's got to
Investigate every box. We thought he was going to jump in that trash can. We'd get a piece of epic video. What did you do? What did you do, Sierra?
She's gone.
Hello?
The bat's here.
Hello?
It literally scared the crap out of me.
Apparently Mom's angry.
She's laughing, I can hear her.
Can I come down?
No! Were you scared? Yeah, you were. You're probably crying.
I'm so scared. The bat's right here eating me. Why are you laughing? Get right here.
This is retarded. I'm so scared.
All right, come on.
Oh my god!
This bird isn't even paying attention. Aww.
Look at him. Ever. So I can even say, what?
Go ahead. I was gonna lock him in. Oh, now. Hold the door, Sierra.
Yeah, you have to set your foot in it.
Yeah, put your foot down there. Hold it with your foot.
She's wearing flip-flops. He's so cute.
That's funny right there. Are you done?
No.
My turn!
Yeah? Feel better? I'm a little freaked out right now. Why did you people bring him here? He is cute. I will call him Squishy, and he will be mine. I like you.
Okay, Sierra.
He bit my eyelashes one time, and so that's why I'm scared of him biting my eyes.
Okay, now tell me what you've seen.
I love you. Alright, I saw this video on YouTube and it was of a bird just like him. And this is what happened. He went like this. Wait, hold on, I had to start over. Okay, he went like this. Wait, hold on, I had to start over. Wait, I had to start over again. Okay. Oh, wait. I can't do it.
You did it good a minute ago.
I know, but now you're videoing me.
Get rid of the bird and then like dance around like you did a minute ago.
Here. Stop. Okay. Good. That's what he did. And I want that bird to learn that.
You need to teach him. By doing it again.
Give me.
It's repetitive.
What are you doing?
Is he on the floor?
Come here. No, stop going to him. He doesn't like you, okay? There you go, baby. Yeah. Come here. I just want to walk around school with a bird. I'll be the new pirate. Arg. What? He's gonna poke my eye out. He's just gonna sit there with my eye in his mouth. And I'm gonna be like,